Rachel, and welcome to Let Us Bake. This holiday season, we decided to show you a few bakes that are great for gift giving.
Here.
Jean.
I thought you would be dressed up. Are we doing gifts, Rach?
Yeah, we're doing gifts. The bakes are the gifts.
This is awkward.
Yeah.
Today we are making nuts and bolts.
This is the perfect gift for anybody on your list who loves savory snacks. First step, get yourself a heavy roasting pan.
Now to the roasting pan, we're gonna add 3 cups of cereal. Today we're using, Crispex, Shreddies, and Cheerios. Sorry, Richie. It's all right. Next, you wanna add a cup of cheese nibs. Excuse me, I'm just gonna...
Oh, okay. Yeah, just going over there. And then you're gonna add a half cup of salted pretzels. Can you get that, Jean? Okay.
Next up, we're gonna add a cup of peanuts. We're gonna just move, excuse me.
No. Oh,
excuse me.
okay.
We're gonna set this aside. Now it's time to set it aside.
Where, just where are you setting it aside?
It's aside. Next, you wanna grab a heavy pot and a grown-up because we will be using the stove.
No. You're gonna watch. She's flammable. To your heavy pot on medium to high heat, you're gonna add 3 tablespoons of salted butter. Next, add 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire. It's Worcestershire. Add the sauce. And our special spice mix.
A mix of onion powder, garlic salt, garlic powder, and paprika, 1/4 teaspoon each.
Ooh, spicy.
Can I start?
No. Once the butter is melted, it's time to add to the pan.
And stir it all together. Once it's all mixed together, pop it in the oven at 250 degrees for 1 hour. Now you'll need to stir it every 15 minutes.
I'll do that.
Good idea.
Yeah.
You can do.
I don't.
Good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go too. Sorry. Once your nuts and bolts have cooled from the oven, you can wrap them up.
Now, doesn't that make the perfect gift for you, Jean?
Aww. Thanks, Rach.
Happy holidays.
How am I gonna eat it?